Alright people, how's it going? Just got to go up to GSF car parts, get some bulbs for one of my Audis. Got to change a bit. Xenon bulbs are an absolute pig of a job to do, but got to get it done. Then gonna go look at that caddy van, so bit of luck, that turns out half decent because I've wanted a caddy for ages, so it'd be great to run around in that, put stuff in the back, so I'll let you know how I get on. But anyway, see you in a bit. Right guys, welcome back to another episode of Day in the Life, or HV's Cars. Just been out for some breakfast and actually gonna go back home, sort a few bits out. Got some news from Joe the mechanic yesterday. He said my Seat Leon needs a turbo, so that's not the best of news. We kind of expected the worst for it, to be fair. Didn't pay too much for the car, but be a nice little example when it's done. A3 Quattros, getting the lower half of the dashboard taken out to change the gear selector. Whole gear selector, it's massive part, so they're changing that within the next few days, so that'll be good. That really's got up for sale. And yeah, not really buying too much at the minute. Got going to view a caddy on Thursday. We're on Wednesday today, so tomorrow I'm going to look at a caddy, the 1.6 caddy white van. So that'd be good. But yeah, just out in the A3 at the minute. She's doing me well at the minute. Ignore the ABS playing up. Got an ABS pump under my bed waiting to go on. Just need Joe the mechanic to fit it and code it to the car. But yeah, she's doing me well at the minute. It's so good on fuel, this car. So good. There you go, there's the trip computer. And 455 miles left. It's an awesome car, so good on fuel. But yeah, catch you in a bit. Morning people, how's it going? Just getting ready to go out. Just gonna go look at that little caddy van. See what the crack is with it. See if I can haggle him for a bit of price and that. I don't know if you see in the clips earlier. I did put a few snippets in. I washed my Audi. Come out quite clean, to be fair. Give it a little hoover inside and that. Just nothing special. Just tie it up a little bit. It looked quite nice. I've got some S3 wheels getting refurbed at the minute. Probably put them on it. They look quite smart. Can't tell you what colour they're going, but they look fresh for sure. But I'll let you know how I get on with the caddy and that. I might even put some clips in of it when I go and view it. Looks quite nice, to be fair. It's on a 2012 plate, 1.6 diesel. It's got a few little issues and that, but I think the bloke's had it a little while and he's been messing around with it with people coming to buy it quite a lot. So let's see how we get on. But yeah, look at weather outside, it's beautiful. So guys, into have a little look at that caddy and get them bulbs from GSF's. Got the bulbs. They're well expensive, 140 odd quid for 2 bulbs. But had to be done, I suppose. Yeah, went and had a little look at that caddy. It looks alright, to be fair, a bit rough and that. I'll have a little think about it and see what's in it. But I do want a van, to be fair. I'm thinking about getting rid of the car and just doing a van, to be honest with you, to make life a bit easier. That put those bits in the back and all that. So it means I can go and get parts and that, and just haven't got loads of room in the back, to be fair. So in all honesty, I'll probably buy. I'll have a little think, see if I can haggle the bloke. I'll just leave it with me. But yeah, it looks right, to be fair. But yeah, just waiting to hear back from the garage about my blue Audi, my DSG. It's in bits at the minute. Joe the mechanic's waiting on a clutch and flywheel kit to turn up for my other A3. The clutch started slipping on that, and got a few other bits and bobs around, but I'll put some pictures in the video on that. And yeah, but cush day. See you in a bit.